Hey friends, so welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something a little bit unusual for what I normally do. My glasses got bent as that teleported into frame. So today is something a bit unusual. This is my first look, a little bit of a review and an unboxing of what I believe to be the best value for money. Now these are still £300, which is like $500 or something. I'll put it on the screen here. Fully made in England shoes. Now I know they are still expensive, but for what they are spectacular, and I want to show you guys. This is my first look at them. Haven't unboxed them yet. You're about to see that. So before I start rambling any further about them, let's dive straight down, unbox them, have a look at them, straight down. And here we go. Look at that presentation. I mean, for the price that these are, this presentation is incredible. So first of all, we've got a little information care guide, but we're not really interested in that, are we? A bit of foam, my guess is to protect them so they don't bounce around in shipping. Here they are. They come in a complimentary bag. It looks like maybe a cotton, I'm not entirely certain. Good God, they're beautiful. They're absolutely stunning. Hand dyed on the toe cap. They will age so nicely because of this calf. Now I'm quite taken aback by how beautiful these are. They've got a full rubber sole and heel block. However, it's not all rubber, so it's got a layer of leather. It's got a leather insole and midsole, and then it's rubber on the bottom for grip. So it's actually really helpful in that way, just so that you get more life out of the boot. It's from the 1880 classic range. I don't know if you can see that, but it's like it's one of their top ranges, this boot. This elastic is actually a different type of elastic than in some of their other Chelsea boots. It's especially got like a finished top part, so it's not going to stretch very easily. It's a little bit of a wider last, which is helpful if you have a slightly wider foot. I will zoom back out, we can have a chat. Alright friends, so I had planned to record a initial first look directly after unboxing them. As you just saw in the unboxing, they're beautiful. I have them here. They are stunning. Absolutely stunning. Now, straight away, I couldn't resist wearing them a little bit. So I wore them around at the hospital a little bit. I'll tell you more about the hospital if you'd like to know. But anyway, not handmade, but they are beautifully made. They're Goodyear welted, which means they're entirely resolable. They're rehealable. Like you can wear these if you look after them for decades. At my age, my feet aren't going to change, so I will have these in my arsenal for literally decades. I'm not sponsored by them at all. They didn't pay me to do any of this. Now, Loake are obviously very well known in Britain anyway. I'm not sure if they are elsewhere. These are fully made in England, which makes them a bit unique in the whole shoe world, where normally they're sent overseas because production is cheaper. However, Loake haven't done that. I believe Loake have a royal warrant, which means that's where they've done stuff for the royal family over the years. Don't quote me on that. If they have, I'll put some stuff on the screen. If they haven't, ignore what I just said, obviously. If you know nothing about shoes and you're just looking for a very comfortable leather dress shoe, now these are phenomenally comfortable, and I was a bit hesitant to begin with myself, because these are my first real sort of proper dress shoe. So I was a bit dubious, but they are, and the first day they're hard, I'm not going to lie, they're hard. After, I think it was about an hour, they already settled in. Now the reason for that is the Goodyear welt between the sole and the midsole is a cork layer. Now cork, I believe, is completely witchcraft and magical. It is thermally insulating, it is, which means it's warm. Like my favourite sandals to wear are Birkenstocks, and they're pretty much entirely cork, just because of how comfortable they are. Once your feet bed into them, it's like wearing literally a sock. They are so comfortable to wear. They're obviously machine made. You can't get handmade leather shoes for this price. You just can't, it doesn't exist. But what you can get is these beautiful things. This isn't even an advertisement for these. On this channel, I normally do leather work, as you know. These are leather, so I thought I could get away with it. But I just wanted to show you guys these shoes, and I don't get anything from Loake. I don't get any kickback if you go and buy them. I'll put a link in the description to them. I don't get anything. I just wanted to show you guys these amazing shoes. If you have wider feet, these are brilliant because the last is just a little bit wider than the rest of the stuff they do. To rubber soled, I don't believe they come in leather soled from the factory, but if you send them back to get resold, you can request a leather sole, as I was told in the shop. The shop, by the way, is beautiful. So I can't really say what it's like compared to some of the really big guys, like Gazio and Girling, I think they're called. The shop was beautiful nonetheless. That's why they were a bit wrinkled, because I have worn them once. But it just shows how well they're gonna wear in. If they're gonna get comfortable after one wear, they're gonna be beautiful. But anyway guys, I just wanted to come on and give my 2 cents about what is probably the best, and this is coming from a professional leather worker, the best value for money budget made in England Chelsea boots around. Now if you can tell me another company that is if you can tell me another company that makes them for £300, or I think it's for $500, I'm happy to go and have a look. If you want me to do more shoe content, I love shoes, and that's one of the reasons I'm doing this, because I love shoes. It's my YouTube channel. I thought, why not? I'll just do it and see if it's enjoyed by you guys. If not, oh well, because I really love shoes. But if you guys want to see more shoe content, please do let me know, because I'd love to show you more shoe content, and I will update you if you're interested with a, I don't know, 3-month or 6-month review if you'd like to see one. So I'll stop rambling now. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share, subscribe, do all the YouTubey things, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Have a great day.